Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And I provide different Google Ads audit setup and management services. If you want to hire me and my team, you can hire it through the link in the description. So now let's get started on the question I have written. The question is looking for Google advice for local gym. Okay, $25 to $50 daily budget. I run a local service based gym and I'm looking for help with setting up Google Ads to generate leads. I have a daily budget of $25 to $50. Could anyone offer advice on search campaign structure? If you think I should do more than search, any tips on keyword would be awesome. Any tips for optimizing on this smaller budget would be greatly appreciated. I'm also looking to hire, so if I have, is this worth hiring someone to do it for? I have marketing experience, so I'm not bad with tech, having run every Facebook ads for years. So yeah, in case if you want to hire, you can hire me in my team to the link in the description. Anyway, I can help you. So now for those looking for advice for Google Ads for as a running as a gym, I'm going to give you a few advices which you can use. So for the first advice is which campaign type should work on. Okay, you can run a search campaign with lead generation model. Okay, this is going to be a good one. There is another one as well, and that is you can use a Google Map ads. Okay, what happens with Google Map ads are they are being shown on Google Map listings when someone searches gym near me, so your ads are going to show on. So these are ads helpful, and there are three types of retargeting, remarketing ads. Okay, retargeting, display ads. Okay, will be shown on display networks or even on YouTube as well. These are the good. Okay, but because your budget is smaller, $25 to $50, my suggestion is to go with this or this. And for initially, search campaigns with lead generation and Google Map is a good option. Okay, let's go. You can go with either of this one and have experiment. Like go 2 weeks with this one and go 2 weeks with this one. Okay, this would be very helpful for you. And because your budget is low, we have to be very conscious. Okay, I have few suggestions. For focus on running on specific hours. Okay, gym ad doesn't work on all the time, so running on specific hours and on weekdays only. With gym industries, I have so far experienced that the Monday to Friday ads are very good. Monday to Friday ads are very good. Okay, ideally, I recommend it's a morning time, 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. Time for ads, or 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. to 8 a.m. or we can have both. Okay, these are the perfect times for the gym industry in my opinion. So far I have also experienced this. Okay, and most of the time I have also experienced there are the days run ads for 25th of a month to 5th of next month. These are the peak days when people buy the gym membership. In my opinion, these are the peak days, or these are the days when you have to spend most of your time spending. As per my opinion, or as per my experience of working in the gym industry, these are the peak time to buy when someone buys the gym membership. So my observations are this. Okay, also for the ad, I recommend you to have structures and create smaller ads with more interesting something like this. Have extensions, deals running right now, location extension, so you grab the most attention. Look like this is an amazing deal running right now. This is a kind of an ad which works with amazing deals, prices running now, and grabs the attention of the audience. That is what I call a working ad, and we need to have a working ad running right now. So running a working ad plus an amazing landing page. Okay, you can try 2 to 3. Okay, also need to have conversion tracking installed. I have also feel that majority of the people do not work on conversion tracking. You need to have a conversion tracking installed plus work on analytics to see what's working well for your business. And now for the part of the keywords which I haven't so far discussed yet, and that keywords are go with buying keywords. Okay, buying keywords having buying intent works like a charm. So buying intent like buy gym. Okay, we can use even different tools and have area specific as well. Okay, also work on your location targeting. Do not cross 5, maximum 10 miles. Okay, because people prefer gyms in the closest location. So Do not cause it 10-mile location. It's not something like a restaurant where you can go for more. But with a gym, where many people are very choosy, conscious, also have an active social media presence on minimum three channels. Okay, three channels are minimum: YouTube, Instagram, plus Facebook. That is what gives them a motivation to join the business. Motivation, pictures, and someone is doing it. That is how someone, you are having yoga classes, Zumba classes, and sometimes trying different machines on that, and that is how they get motivation. So need to have active social media presence so we can catch them later on, and that is a working formula for a gym to work around. And you can use different tools, keywords. I mean, the buying keywords could be gym near me. That is the most important keyword. That is how you're going to get more. Or even we can look around at the competitors, competitive strategies or competitors, or that could also help us, what we have to do, and we have to how to take out the business. And these are few of the strategies. Again, every business works differently. And 24-hour gym near me, crunch fitness, boxing gym, or anything, what we're offering. And looking around in the competitors and figuring out the landing pages, their keywords can also help. And we can grab, in case if you want to help, me and my team can do all of this for you. What you have to do is to hire through the link in the description, and we can help with all of it: keywords, ad copies. Even we can help with landing pages. We charge for, at least, I mean, we charge, but we can help you. And we can all tell you analytics, conversion tracking, all we can tell you. All you have to do, hire through the link in the description, and we can help you creating an awesome gym campaign for your business on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or wherever you want. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. And in case still you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case you want to hire me and my team, you can hire through the link in the description. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.